Hi, I'm Rachelle Stark, and I'm a second year metabolic biology PhD student in Dr. Anders Naar's lab, where I study multiple projects, and one of them includes therapeutic targeting of a microRNA in metabolic diseases. So, first of all, what are metabolic diseases and metabolic syndrome? So, metabolic diseases can include many diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, fatty liver disease, and even things like cancer. And metabolic syndrome is a clustering of conditions that can predispose someone to getting these metabolic diseases. So, symptoms can include high fasting glucose, high waist circumference, high serum triglycerides, low HDL, and high blood pressure. And these symptoms, unfortunately, affect many people throughout the world. So it's really important to try and look for therapeutics to help solve some of these metabolic diseases. And why are we targeting microRNAs? So microRNAs can potentially serve as a single target to counter multiple aspects of metabolic diseases. So microRNAs are basically short RNAs that can bind to other mRNAs, messenger RNAs, and inhibit their protein translation or induce mRNA degradation. And these mRNAs can be involved in pathways that are either harmful or beneficial. So some microRNAs are associated with beneficial effects and some are associated with harmful effects. And you can see here in this slide that there are many diseases that many different microRNAs are associated with. And so what we've tried to do in the lab is we found specifically miR-128, a harmful microRNA that we think is associated with obesity and type 2 diabetes. We've developed an antisense oligonucleotide, or an ASO, that is a small sequence that is complementary to the mature microRNA sequence, and it binds to it, so then that microRNA cannot go and bind to other mRNAs and cause harmful effects. So essentially, we've developed this drug that can silence this harmful microRNA. And we've used this drug in mice, and we've seen that there is a decrease in weight gain, as you can see in this slide, and also increase in glucose tolerance. So it strongly protects mice from obesity and type 2 diabetes. So this has been really great, and now we would just like to develop this drug further and see if we can make it even more specific. And I would just like to thank my entire lab for all the help with this project, and really thank ARCS for the fellowship that I've received, because it really helps as a funding resource to not have to worry about any funding and have flexibility for my projects. Thank you.